ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಮಿಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಕ್ರೈಸಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಮನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಎವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೈದರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ರಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಡೇಸ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವೇರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ, ಮೆಂಟಲಿ, ಎಮೋಷನಲಿ, ಸೈಕಲಾಜಿಕಲಿ, ಸೋಷಿಯಲಿ, ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲಿ, lot of changes happens, and we don't have any required, neither we have curriculum nor we have resources or tools to guide us. Okay, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ this is also the age where lot of people feel stuck because they don't get a growth opportunities. Neither they are growing nor they are doing anything. Because if they are parents, this is the time where most of their kids go to higher studies, college gella hodre, they face this empty nest syndrome. Okay, if they have old age parents, it is too much of responsibility, right? And you're taking care of kids and the parents and your job, and you're not growing, and people feel very, very, very stuck in that state. And physically, mentally, because bodily changes are happening, right? And they're no more youth, and it's a transition period anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. And then where we lose our kind of vitality, I don't feel, like how I used to be young ತರ. Then there is also a rejection happening, within ourselves. So these are all the reasons, and in between, so if there are any relationship issues and all, everything accumulates. It's like a compound interest effect. Okay, so hence midlife changes, challenges alla, we should not neglect it. And anything, it can start with anything. Okay, so I have around 18 to 20 questions. You try answering them. Okay, so you'll figure out, because the survey has been taken by more than 120 people so far. Okay, because in psychology, I took this as my project. Okay, so to understand myself, I designed that survey, and then later on I realized, oh no, it is not just my problem, a lot of people are going through that. Okay, so even if I have to just link it back to our ancient historic time ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so we go through that brahmacharya, grihasthrama, vanaprastha is nothing but doing a PhD, right? Figuring it out, what am I here for, and then what is it I want to go deep, explore myself, etc., isn't it? But we are not able to do that, even if you have to map it to our old ancestors time frame, right? We are deviated so much, so but we are stuck with our loans and commitments and not growing, not getting opportunities. In between, if we have a job loss or fear of losing job, then we are just bombarded with so many things and we feel stuck. So this is midlife, crisis is a topic, okay, to research. And in fact, that is also a topic for my PhD as well. Okay. So hence I said I'm going to teach only for midlifers who are going through these challenges. So I will share the survey with you, sir.